Imagine pulling up to your dream vacation destination without ever leaving your luxury hotel behind. That's the idea behind the futuristic Volvo Motorhome Concept 2026, a spectacular vision of what premium travel could look like in the near future, combining Scandinavian design, advanced technology, and the freedom of a motorhome. This concept takes road trips to an entirely different level. From the outside, the Volvo Motorhome Concept looks like something transported straight out of a science fiction movie. The body features smooth aerodynamic surfaces, a bold front fascia, sleek LED lighting, and a commanding road presence. Instead of the traditional boxy motorhome shape, this futuristic design focuses on flowing lines and carefully sculpted surfaces that make the vehicle look both elegant and incredibly modern. Large panoramic windows would give passengers an impressive connection with the outside world, while the spacious proportions create the feeling of a luxury apartment on wheels. Flush door handles, aerodynamic wheels, intelligent lighting, and minimalist detailing complete the premium Scandinavian appearance. Step inside, and the experience becomes even more impressive. The cabin is imagined as a luxurious mobile living space, combining premium materials with a clean, modern Volvo-inspired atmosphere. A spacious lounge area could transform into a comfortable sleeping space, while a sophisticated kitchenette provides everything needed for life on the road. The interior could also feature advanced digital displays, voice-controlled functions, ambient lighting, premium seating, and a smart climate control system. Imagine relaxing in a comfortable lounge while panoramic glass surrounds you with incredible views of mountains, forests, or the coastline. This isn't simply transportation, it's designed as a private retreat that travels with you. Technology would be at the heart of the experience. Advanced driver assistance systems could make long-distance journeys easier, while intelligent navigation could help plan routes, charging or fuel stops, and overnight destinations. Connectivity would allow passengers to control lighting, temperature, entertainment, and other functions from a central digital interface. And then there's the driving experience. While this remains a futuristic concept rather than a confirmed production specification, the idea of a Volvo luxury motorhome suggests a smooth, quiet, and highly controlled ride. An electrified powertrain could provide instant torque, refined acceleration, and reduced cabin noise, making long journeys much more relaxing. Advanced suspension and driver assistance technology could further enhance comfort and confidence on highways and winding roads. As for price, Volvo has not announced an official production model or MSRP for this futuristic motorhome concept. If something similar eventually reaches the market, its combination of luxury accommodation, advanced technology, premium materials, and sophisticated engineering could place it firmly in the high-end motorhome segment. The real question is whether this kind of futuristic Volvo could redefine luxury travel. Imagine waking up beside a lake, making breakfast inside your own mobile luxury suite, and then driving to an entirely new destination without packing a suitcase. The 2026 Volvo Motorhome Concept represents an exciting vision of that future, where your vehicle isn't just a way to reach the destination, but becomes part of the destination itself. If Volvo ever turns this futuristic idea into reality, would you choose it for your next road trip?
Find pieces of me all over the yard. In this house of